How to delete documents and data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Go to the Almost Full section as shown. You can view and manage your storage from here. Scroll down and go to iCloud Drive. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Data from iCloud. Tap on Delete again to confirm. This will delete all app data stored in iCloud. Alternatively, go back and tap on See All besides Save to iCloud as shown. From here, you can manage how apps and features on this phone sync to iCloud. Scroll down and go to any from here. For example, Messages in iCloud. Then, tap on Manage Storage. Over here, tap on Turn Off and Delete from iCloud. Tap on Delete Messages to confirm. This will disable messages in iCloud and delete all your messages stored in iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily delete documents and data on iPhone.